This is Poppy Corn Surprise and Griffzilla. Friends of Akedos everywhere, rejoice. We got the Ultimate Battle Arena, and today we're gonna unbox it for ya.
Just wait, Screenshot. One of these days, I'll be able to get to you. And then it's lights out.
What is up, kids? Thanks for joining us on Poppy Corn Surprise and Griffzilla, where today we are going to be doing a truly magical unboxing for you. We're talking about the Akedo Ultimate Arcade Warriors Ultimate Battle Arena, featuring the legendary Turbo Chucks Lee and exclusive legendary Screenshot. All right, hold on. And if that's not exciting enough, stick around for the whole episode and we will unbox this single mystery warrior pack. I got news for you guys. I cheated and you want to see this.
All right, guys, the first thing I want to talk about on all of these new Akedo products is the artwork. I was excited about this toy the second I saw some of the earliest images. Look how cool Turbo Chucks Lee looks. Then the implementation in the characters, they look equally cool. And we're just seeing some really fantastic execution here on these toys. So I hope you'll all go out and get them when we unbox. I want to show you some of these cool decals of the characters on the side. But these are really, really exciting toys, guys.
All right, let's turn around and take a look at the back of the box.
Pretty standard, showing you the different things that you can do. You've got a training bag. I'm excited to see that and how that unfolds. And you've got all of the different sound effects. You've got these two exclusive power joysticks. And once again, the 35 real battle sound effects. Can't wait to see how that plays out. And the two exclusive Akedo Warriors.
Oops, I have my trusty scissors. I am going to start snipping, and I'll come back on when we're ready to open this thing.
All right, I want to show you guys this real quick. When you get a lot of your guys, I've noticed, they're connected just like that. What I do is I just snip it, and then you're gonna have to just pull it out. If you look at it from underneath, you're just pulling that through there, and then you've got your guy all free.
Folks, we've got our two pieces now, and I'm going to focus in on the box just for a second because it tells us that there are some goodies inside. So let's pop that open and see what we've got in there first.
Guys, I got one side open, and what we've got here is the classic box within a box. So really excited to see what lies within. Cool. We got some paperwork and our punching bag. All right, so one important thing that was in the box is our background. We have two choices here. We can do kind of the futuristic, modern looking one, or a more classical kind of dojo look. It would help if I turned it the right way. More like dojo look there, training ground. Also really, really cool. So let's go for this super epic one and slide it on in. And when I said slide it in, it really is that easy. You've just got a little slot over here and you put it on what side you want and just very gently push it on.
Right, so you've got your core battle arena here, and you've got your guidebook with the rules in there, your Akedo Ultimate Battle Arena guide. This is some pretty interesting stuff we'll look at later, and your training dummy. Let's check this thing out.
First things first, big kids and parents. Turn your battle arena around. It's going to be in try-me mode, so the battery's not getting wasted in the store. Go ahead and switch that to on. Then It's like it's too awesome for me to talk over it. Anyway, it'll play the full song for you when you slip it into on mode. Kinda like this. Before we get into the nuts and bolts, I want to turn it upside down and point out that we've got some nice little foam pads on the bottom. This is going to be really nice when you guys get excited and you're playing really intense with your big brothers, little brothers, big sisters, and you get into it. This is going to make it stick down to your surface and not move all around. So I think that was a nice touch they added in there. All right, let's get dangerous. All right, you guys have probably figured this out by now. Akedo is a battling game. So you have two characters. Here you have our crowd going wild for Turbo Chuck's Lee and for this awesome guy whose name I can't remember right now. So it might go a little something like this. Screenshot, there's no way you can take me. Are you ready for this? Cannot compute, must destroy. Oh, yeah. I can keep going like this all day. Robots never grow tired, Chuck's Lee. This is it. This is it for you, Screenshot.
Okay, guys, this is kind of funny.
I just had these guys fight for like 20 minutes and realized that they had another piece of plastic holding them together.
Now we're good to go. And that was much more speed of a regular battle there. And Chuck's Lee took the first blow. Alright, this gives us an excuse to take a nice close-up look at our new Akedo. This is the legendary Screenshot. When you knock through him, that's what he's got on the inside there. He's kind of interesting because in terms of health, he's got 4, which is quite low, and damage 5. So we'll see. He already did cause a pretty good amount of damage then to Chuck's Lee. Alright, and you can see your damage counters are on the top now. So here is Chuck's Lee's damage counter, and we're going to move it down by 5. So he has only got 3 left as they enter this battle.
Alright, but we're not going to go through all of this battle today, because the question today is, how rad is this Ultimate Battle Arena? And to fully answer that question, I want to convert this into dojo mode and let Chuck's Lee do a little training. So let's go for it.
And here we are, a full conversion to dojo mode. This is so you can have those emotional scenes. Dad, why didn't you love me more? Why didn't you... My pain is my strength. And the video would not be complete without a good look at Mr. Chuck's Lee himself. This is really cool. His nunchucks have taken on like this
Blue translucent glow.
He's angry, really pretty strong. 8 health, 4 attack, ready to come out swinging. So there it is, folks, the Akedo Ultimate Battle Arena. Do I like it? Heck Yes. Do I think you need one? If you're going to be serious about Akedo, definitely. Now, whether you like or love it, all depends on how tolerant you are of that Akedo theme song.
Then, it's like it's too awesome for me to talk over it.
Really, folks, the showcase here is the sound effects. You are getting a whole lot of variety there. Pants, chickens, burps, all kinds of fun stuff. Last but not least, I promise you an unbox of a mystery box, and I already peeked you guys. It is really cool, so you want to see Open this. That up and you know immediately, oh, it's good news. The blue controller is really, really good news. Got the classic, those are black. Then epic is silver. Gold is ultra rare. And blue is legendary. So you know you're getting one of these absolutely incredible people here. And I didn't have any of them, so it could be anything. Turns out it is Mr. Split, who is basically Two-Face from DC Comics, but hey, if DC doesn't mind...
Hey! Quiet over there.
If DC doesn't mind, I sure don't, because this guy looks cool. So there he is, Mr. Splits. Ridiculously rad. Check him out. Really cool details on like kind of the warty rock things on his back. Hey! That's enough out of you. Really cool looking dude. And, oh, I almost forgot. Yeah, there. This is the one where his fist actually pops all the way out when he punches. So that's something, the legendaries almost all have some little gimmick. So he's got the punchy fist, which is super cool.
Boom, boom, get out of my way. Huh, huh, yeah.
All right, folks, that's all for today. Looking forward to seeing you next time.
Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and ring my bell. Come on, ring my bell, yeah.